If you're suffering from low flow or no flow in your system and you've determined that there are no blockages in the system, you may need to replace the diaphragm in the pump. Over time, the diaphragm material can begin to tear and the efficiency of the pump will decrease over time and use and may eventually fail to the point where there is no flow coming from the system. So to remove the pump, we'll need to remove the front panel of the instrument. We've already removed the cover, and I've already removed 3 fasteners from the bottom. I'll remove the remaining system on the front left corner. Now the only thing holding the front cover in place is several tubing connections. So we'll want to remove the tubing from the outlet of the pump, which is the connection that goes to the flow adjust valve. We'll want to remove the other piece of tubing that's coming from the flow adjust valve. And then we'll also want to remove this piece of tubing that goes to the splitter. So now the front panel can just be laid down. Now we have access to the pump. You can use a screwdriver to loosen the pump bracket. And a screwdriver with a long shaft is helpful. You can slide the pump out. You'll also need to remove this connection from the filter. And then we'll also want to remove the wiring connector. So once we've removed the pump, then we can service the diaphragm. Now that we've removed the pump, we can service the diaphragm. The diaphragm kit contains a new diaphragm, a washer, and a new fastener. To remove the diaphragm, we'll first want to remove this cover using a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. Removing this cover will expose the pump shaft. Now we'll need to remove these 4 outside fasteners. Older pumps may have a flat fastener. Newer ones will have a square drive. Now that the fasteners are removed, we can remove the valve assembly from the pump. This will expose the diaphragm, the washer, and the fastener that holds it in place. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we can remove the fastener and the washer, and then the diaphragm can be removed. To install the new diaphragm, just do the reverse process. There are further resources available on the LI-COR website, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.